Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto Edge 20 Pro, and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and now we have to find the security. Now let's enter the advanced and tap on encryption and credentials, and as you can see at the very bottom of the list we've got clear credentials option, so simply tap on it. Your device will of course ask you if you really want to remove all the content, so tap on OK, and we've got the information that the credential storage has been erased successfully. Be aware that if you've got the screen lock, so for example pattern or pin, your device will ask you to enter it in order to confirm the whole step. So actually this is it. This is how to clear credentials in your Motorola Moto Edge 20 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.